Introduced by Vikings Philippines, Monga Fried Chicken is a restaurant known for selling 2-inch thick Taiwanese-style fried chicken. The walls on its interior are lined with large red pipes. Their fried chicken comes in different flavors, but their signature flavor is the cheesy, which is topped with tomato sauce and mozzarella like chicken parmigiana. But there are other non-fried chicken options too, such as honey glazed pork char siu.